Alright, good morning mga idol. So, for today's ride, try to matay ko attempt sa Lipayo, Bulok-Bulok, bus line at KOM. So, ang distance ani is around 12 kilometers. Ang elevation, total elevation is more or less 800 meters above sea level. Let's go. Warm up sa mga idol. See ya! Oh, patanong takosing. Okay, nana tong segment rin, no? Lipayo, magsaysay, Bulok-Bulok, basta Helen Route. Let's go! Take 1 km down. Malunggay, Pansal. I am now 1 minute ahead of the QM. So, na may 7.5 kilometers to go. So, it's a long way pa, no? Hindi na nag mag-radio. Yeah. Okay, so once there's an outfit, there's an hotel. Kita nyo yun mga idol. O na rin, sugod ko rin mamatay. Pumatag. Patagam. Wara. Pull out na tong gear. What's to one na ta? 34 watt. 34 rear. Tag. Kurang kay Baslay. Wow. 2 kilometers to go. Dira na ang exciting part. Nakahala na rin yung steep kayo. Idol, look at the mountain. Mount Halinis. Around 1 kilometer to go na lang. My legs are now burning. Last 500 meters going to Baslay coffee shop entrance or the last cemented road. Pwede. You got it. Tag. Let's go. I got it. Kuya, murag ahead ko mga 5 minutes kapin. Yeah! Ay, manarbaho na punta. Wow!